little fox.
Bird and Kip, Episode 8, The Small Person. Kip had someone to play with, but she didn't talk.
She's just shy,
Thought Kip.
Let's play hide and seek.
Said Kip.
I'll hide first.
Kip ran and hid behind a bench. But the person didn't find him. She didn't even look for him.
Let's play catch instead,
Said Kip. Kip threw an acorn to the person, but the acorn bounced off her head. She didn't even try to catch it. Bird flew over.
What are you doing?
She asked.
I'm playing with my new friend.
Said Kip.
She's a small person.
Hi,
Said Bird.
what's your name?
She doesn't talk.
Said Kip. Bird looked at the person closely.
What does she do?
Asked Bird.
Well, nothing really.
Said Kip.
You know why?
Said Bird.
This isn't a real person. This is a fake person.